Hi, today we are going to talk about the scope of homeopathic treatment, that is prognosis for constipation. Constipation is per se not a disease as such, but is more of a symptom, and that could result due to a variety of reasons. We shall focus more on chronic, long-standing constipation and its scope of treatment or prognosis. My name is Dr. Rajesh Shah. I am a director of Life Force Homeopathy, and we treat patients from across the world. Well, we'll talk about scope of homeopathy for constipation in terms of if the disease is completely curable, or we can get symptomatic relief, or it is incurable. Well, in case of constipation, which is largely a functional disorder, there are not many significant structural changes. So by and large, constipation is treatable and almost curable in most of the cases, unless those cases where the patient or the person has been taking purgatives or laxatives for a very long time, whether chemical-based laxatives or herbal-based laxatives. If patient is taking for 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, something in the form of churna or some herbal extract for passing motions on day-to-day basis, then possibly intestines, they go into the colon, it goes into certain kind of dependency on such alkaloids or chemicals, and their homeopathy may not work. Otherwise, by and large, most cases of chronic constipation would respond extremely well to homeopathy. One can expect a significant recovery or almost cure in most of the cases. Of course, for the treatment of constipation, one will also require to make certain lifestyle changes, certain dietary changes, because without that also chronic constipation may not really recover up to a satisfactory level. The duration of treatment for constipation it varies on factors such as since how long one is having constipation. If one is having constipation for maybe 2 to 6 months, then about 1 month treatment is sufficient. If somebody is having constipation for 5 years, 10 years, then one may need to be treated with homeopathy for maybe 6 to 8 months or longer. It all depends on the internal factors, external factors, lifestyle factors, and so on to determine how much time does one require to treat constipation. Is homeopathy recommended for constipation? Yes, of course, homeopathy is very strongly recommended in the cases of constipation. I believe this will help the patients suffering with constipation as well as the students and the practitioners of homeopathy as well. Thank you so much.